we have a rainbow over there. It did not rain, but the way that the light's coming through, it is a rainbow. That's not the sun. The sun is over there. But you can see this here. It is a rainbow coming through. I've got it a little bit too bright over there on the... Yeah, you can see it well though. No, that's what it looks like. A little too bright on the right side, but yeah, it's a rainbow. You can see it. If I put it maybe down a little bit, better. All right, let me get out. Get out of the way of the sun, and then maybe we can see it better. Yeah. Because the sun is over there, but this is like the light coming through the cloud. That, again, that's not the sun. That's not the sun. This is light coming through a cloud, and there is a rainbow. It did not rain, so I'm gonna get out the champion. Come on, bud.